If we want Wales to be fair, prosperous, and improving the quality of life for all people in Wales, then we really do have to work together to this kind of agenda.
Well, we've been delighted to have the role and the partnership because it's given us an insight into what the Wellbeing and Future Generations Act actually means in reality. So it's enabled us to have Rachel, who's with the Commissioner, to come back and give us an insight into what others are doing and how others are taking it forward. So in terms of practical advice, practical support, but really challenging us around, are we really thinking about the art of the possible, or are we thinking still in a very corporate way or a traditional way? So that challenge and that, I suppose, that confidence to really try different things has been very helpful.
This is a new area, it's a radical area for Wales, and I think being challenged, supported, being able to go to somebody for advice and help, and also a new partner for us to collaborate with as we try and promote the arts as part of the wellbeing agenda.
The Act is always there in your conscience. I think that's the key for us, is that when we're looking at anything that we're doing, we can look back at the Act and say, okay, have we really looked at whether this is sustainable, whether we're looking at the 5 ways of working, or have we actually considered the impact that that might have on future generations?
Well, at the heart of the Wellbeing and Future Generations legislation is obviously advice on new ways of working. The 5 new ways of working. And so for us, it's not just what we do, but how we do it. And we've been challenging ourselves to think perhaps more carefully than we've done before about the longer term implications of what we're trying to do, where we're allocating our resources, and crucially, who we're working with as partners to deliver our agenda.
It might be an impossible ask, but as it's the art of the possible, I would really like us to be able to say that we truly work as one public sector. At the moment, we still all plan independently, we still all work independently. If there was one thing I would ask, is that we would have one genuine vision for Wales for the future, and that would be that we would all sign up to that.
The Wellbeing and Future Generations agenda is a gift for us because so many aspects of civic life and public policy can be delivered through an engagement with the arts. So we're looking forward very much to working in partnership with the Commissioner to try and get the arts really at the heart of national life.